I'm Chris Walden with Walden Arms, and I'm here today with Jason Moore from the band Clovis. And Jason is a great customer of ours. He bought one of our brand new EDC knives, our everyday carry knives. It's one of the Browning Tantos. It's a sleek little knife, and Jason has really been doing a good job of mastering the movement with this Tanto. And so I wanted him to show everybody at home kind of how to use it real quick, the practicality of it. So Jason, can you show us the knife real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. So this here's your release. Slides right open like that. It's very, very snug, no wobble. Stays very true to what it's supposed to do. Comes back there, latches back up. Some of the things you can kind of do with it. So you can flip it open if you want to. Flip it back shut. It slips right in the pocket there. It's very snug. Very concealable, which is nice.
Nice. The other thing that this also has on here too, it also has at the very end a little screwdriver or a window breaker and a little hole for the lanyard right there too, as you can see. Nice little Browning clip. Very sturdy construction. So Jason was one of the first customers that bought one of these from us here at Walden Arms, and we're really excited about that. Jason, thanks for sharing. And again, check out Clovis's Facebook page and their website. They're going to be coming out with some killer new tunes. Stay tuned. Like them on Facebook. Thanks, Jay.